Prompt engineering is like having a conversation with a super smart computer. You give it clear instructions, called prompts, and it gives you back amazing results. Imagine asking a chef for the perfect recipe for chocolate chip cookies. A well-crafted prompt is like giving the chef detailed instructions on the type of chocolate, the texture you want, and even the level of sweetness. Tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E can generate text, images, and even code. But these tools need good instructions. That's where prompt engineering comes in. It's how we bridge the gap between our ideas and what these AI systems can create. Prompt engineering isn't just about speed. It's about unlocking the full potential of AI. In today's fast-paced world, everyone is looking for ways to be more productive. Prompt engineering has emerged as a secret weapon for boosting efficiency across various tasks. One of the most time-consuming aspects of any job is research. With prompt engineering, you can quickly gather information on any topic. Imagine you need to write a report on the latest trends in renewable energy. Instead of spending hours sifting through websites, you could simply ask an AI, what are the emerging trends in renewable energy in 2024? Prompt engineering can also help you automate repetitive tasks. You can train an AI model with well-crafted prompts and examples to generate compelling product descriptions for you, saving you valuable time and effort. By embracing prompt engineering, professionals and businesses can streamline their workflows and unlock new levels of productivity. Prompt engineering is not just a valuable skill for boosting productivity, but also a lucrative opportunity to earn money. As AI becomes more integrated into various industries, the demand for skilled prompt engineers is rapidly increasing. One way to monetize your prompt engineering expertise is through freelancing. Many businesses and individuals are seeking freelancers who can craft effective prompts for their AI models. You can find freelance gigs on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, offering your services as a prompt engineer for tasks such as chatbot development and content creation. Another avenue is to provide consulting services. Businesses are eager to leverage AI but often struggle with prompt engineering. As a consultant, you can guide them on crafting effective prompts and optimizing their AI models. Section 4. Expanding your horizons with prompt engineering. Learning should be a lifelong pursuit. Prompt engineering is not just a technical skill, it's a gateway to expanding your knowledge and exploring new horizons. By interacting with AI models through well-crafted prompts, you can delve into complex topics and gain a deeper understanding of the world around us. Imagine you're interested in learning about astrophysics, but find the subject daunting. With prompt engineering, you can ask an AI to explain complex concepts in a simple and accessible way. You can also use prompts to generate different perspectives on a topic and foster critical thinking. Moreover, prompt engineering can ignite your creativity and inspire you to explore new interests. Section 5. The future of work with prompt engineering. The rise of AI is transforming the future of work, and prompt engineering is at the forefront of this revolution. As AI becomes more sophisticated, the ability to communicate effectively with machines will become increasingly valuable. Prompt engineering is not just about giving instructions to AI, it's about collaborating with AI as a partner. In the future, humans and AI will work side by side, each leveraging their strengths to achieve common goals. Prompt engineers will play a crucial role in bridging the gap between human intention and AI capabilities. This shift towards human-AI collaboration will create new job opportunities and redefine existing ones. With the right skills, anyone can harness the potential of AI to enhance their work and unlock new levels of creativity and innovation. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the power of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is more than just a technical skill. It's a fundamental skill for the age of AI. By mastering the art of crafting effective prompts, you can unlock the full potential of AI, streamline your workflows, and generate creative solutions to complex problems. The demand for skilled prompt engineers is only going to increase, making it a wise investment for anyone looking to thrive in the future of work. Embrace the power of prompt engineering and unlock a world of opportunities. Start experimenting with prompts today and discover how AI can empower you to achieve more than you ever thought possible.